Hey ladies, watch me do this quick nail haul. This is Kira Sky Emma Monomer. I have some Barbicide. I picked up some coffin nail tips. This is the dynamic top coat, no swipe. I also picked up a few acrylics. I have the color nude. I have 2 enchanted nudes and a pink chic. And here you see me just testing out each formula with the monomer, and I really like the consistency of each one. I think the pink chic was my favorite out of all of them. The nudes are everyday wear for me, so I love all 4 of them, but I think the pink chic is probably my favorite. I did pick up another Kavatsky brush. I don't know if I pronounced that right. It had like a little white stuff on the top of the brush, but I just took it out. It was no problem for me. The brush is really good compared to my last one, which is really small. So this is a size 12, and it's a big difference. I picked up 2 different nail foils. I think these are really cute for the summertime. And you see me just kind of going through the next one. I got the designer ones. I picked up some press-ons that I needed and a temporary nail dehydrator from C&D. I already have a different dehydrator, but I wanted to test this out to see how is it as far as the retention on my nails. So I'm going to be trying this out for you guys as well. I hope you really do love and like this video, and tune in for the next one.